After watching Santi Tucci, searching for Italy will undoubtedly search for something to eat. Every episode is stuffed with regional specialties prepared in family kitchens and scenic restaurants alike. Below is an episode by episode guide to where you can find some of the dishes Tucci eagerly samples on screen. Check back each week for updates and watch Santi Tucci searching for Italy Sunday at 9 p.m. PT. Missed an episode? Catch up here on Go. Naples and the Amalfi Coast. In the premiere episode, Tucci travels to Campania, a region whose volcanic landscape contributes to its stunning local produce, from buffalo mozzarella to lemons on the Amalfi Coast. Local cooks make the most of the bounty. Pizza Firet di Fernando. Professor Elisabetta Moro introduced Tucci to this great pizza purveyor, where they snacked on hot bolognese filled with pork and ricotta. Pizzeria La Nodisa. Enzo Copia, who made Tucci a classic pizza in the episode, actually wrote the globally recognized standard on making the best Neapolitan pizza. You will find his Michelin recognized work here. Chico will in Scampia. Tucci visited this eatery in which Neapolitan and Balkan cuisine find a fusion and a common dimension, as Chico describes. El Focolare, tucked away on the island of Ischia, a free ride away from Naples. This restaurant draws crowds thanks to its coniglio halls is cisternna made with local wild rabbit. Lo scoglio come for the beefs of the Amalfi Coast. Stay for Tucci's favorite spaghetti and zucchini dish, spaghetti alla Nirano, pasticceria sal di riso. When life gives pastry chef sal di riso Amalfi Coast lemons, he makes a revolutionary confusion called the lemon delight cake, the key to the dessert's delight, roast and lots of cream. Rome. In this episode, Tucci heads to Rome in search of the famous Four Fastest. Watch February 21. Bologna. Tucci explores Bologna, seen by May as the fruit capital of Italy. Watch February 28. Milan. Tucci eats and drinks his way around Milan, enjoying an aperitivo and feeling inspired to make Pisoseri, a noodle made from buckwheat. Watch March 7. Tuscany. Tucci explores his former home of Tuscany with a wine bar crawl and a celebration of the lowly roof. Watch March 14. Sicily. Tushy reaches Sicily, where he tries a saltly crunchy sensation and reflections on Sicilian hospitality. Watch March 21.